I push start button on my Speed Queen commercial heavy-duty washer and light just blinks. Washer does not start.
What happened just before the light on your Speed Queen washer came on?
Nothing.
How long has this been going on with your Speed Queen washer? What have you tried so far?
It happens all the time, but it will usually start after a few tries. I have unplugged washer and waited before replugging and trying again. Same thing happens.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Hi and welcome to Just Answer. My name is to assist you today. I'm sorry to hear you're having trouble. I know that can be frustrating. Hopefully, we can get this resolved quickly. Please note that the steps below may not resolve the issue initially, but I am happy to further assist you. Initially, please try to unplug the appliance/unit from the power source/turn off the electrical breaker for 10 minutes, and then plug it back in. Please let me know the result.
The washer is working right now. In the middle of wash cycle. I have unplugged the washer before but did not turn off breaker. If I have any more trouble after this load, I will do as you said. Hope it starts to work more consist because it is very frustrating. Thank you.
You can update me anytime. You're always welcome. It's my pleasure to assist/help you. How to rate? Simply select 5 stars at the top of this page, scroll all the way up. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.